Welcome to the Joyful Learning program. Today we will walk you through the Joyful Learning website to get familiar with how to navigate the system. You will be using the Joyful Learning website for two main reasons. First, to check in for each session and to upload your recordings, and second, to assess additional educational materials that you can use when your students complete their homework assignments before the end of the Joyful Learning session. We will first go through the checking in for each session. When you first log in using your credentials, you will see this calendar view with your scheduled sessions. Your sessions may not appear here closer to the end of your session, as we will take attendance of volunteers before giving them a session. In order for you to check in, you can click the session list from the left side of your screen. This is what you will see under the Session Lists tab. You can see the Start button for planned sessions, and you can check in by simply clicking on Start. Once you click Start, you will get a chat box that says you have successfully started your session. At the end of the Joyful Learning session, you can come back to this page and check out simply by clicking on the End button. Once you end your session, the status of your session will change from in progress to finished, and that is pretty much all you need to do to check in and out. However, there is one more thing that you need to do before you actually check out. We need you to fill out a Student Progress Report card. This will help us identify rooms for improvement for both our students and the organization. To fill out a student report, click on the Student Progress tab under the Report section, which can be found on the left side of your screen. As you can see here, you can click on the session that you just completed. This should have a Not Reported status. You will see this report session once you click on the session and be able to fill out the questionnaire. You will be able to upload the Zoom recordings in the Google Drive. To make sure you successfully completed the student report, please click Submit, and you're done. If your students join your breakout session and your students complete all of his or her homework before the session ends, you can utilize some of the educational resources provided by us for math and English enrichment activities. To access those resources, please click on the Educational Material and Resources tab under the board on the left side of your screen. So far, we have an ESL curriculum, Math Common Core Standard Chart, login credentials for some of the online educational resources, and worksheets. If you are interested in learning more about ESL curriculum and Math Common Core standards, you can click on them to access it. To access educational resources, you can click on the website, for example, education.com, and you will be able to obtain login credentials. Education.com is a useful website that contains hundreds of worksheets that are organized well into different subjects and grade levels. We recommend that you check it out. The same process applies for other online educational resources, such as One More Story and online library Epic. For Khan Academy, students can create their own account as it is a free resource for all. Additionally, we have pre-downloaded PDF versions of math and English worksheets for different grades. If you click on English or Math worksheets, you will be able to see a link to a Google Drive. You can click on the link and be able to see various worksheets that are categorized for each grade level. You can also explore the Volunteer Resources and Board tab to explore some of the frequently asked questions and information regarding volunteering at Give Chances. We hope this information session was helpful. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions or concerns. Thank you.